Okay everyone, in the last video we have seen the logs and system monitoring. Now we will see the advanced tools. First one is the IO top command. So we will go into our terminal. We will write IO top, hit enter. IO top is not there, we have to install the IO top command. Okay, so we will get to know about that. Okay, so we will write IO top command, and they are going to provide the same information that we have seen in the top command, right? So IO top command basically provide the display input output usage by the process. So here you can see the priority value, user value, swipe in, like input output, what is the command. So if you wanted to get information related to the input output usage by the process, then IO top command will help you a lot. This is the advanced version or the specific version for input output of the top command, right? Just take yourself out from here. Now next command is iftop, monitor the real-time network bandwidth uses. So if you go and come here and if you hit enter, it is also not there. So we will install it. Okay, it is installed, and if you hit enter, it is also providing you the real-time monitoring of the network interfaces from your local system. Here you can see this is my Amazon Linux, right? And what is the information they are providing, you can easily get it over there. Transmission and receiver information, also how many percentage or how many packets or size is transmitted, how many received, what is the total value. All those information you can get it easily with the if top command, monitor real time network bandwidth uses. Then we have the SAR command, collect, report and save system activity. Okay, just cancel this if you type SAR command. So it is also providing the system activity, system like CPU, percentage user, if you're talking about the CPU, percentage user, percentage nice value, system input output weight, still value, ideal time, all those information about your system they are providing a very good manner, right? So it is providing you the which OS you have, right? What is the architecture of that, how many CPU you have, and along with that the other information they are going to provide. So if you are using the SAR command, it will collect, report and save the system activity. Then you have the perf command, performance analysis tool for profiling and debugging. Let's see if this command is there or not, or we have to install it. Okay, this command is not there. Okay, we have to see another way to install that. This is not the way to install such commands. Okay, then we have ncdu command, disk usage analyzer with the interactive interface. Okay, let's see if it is there in the system or not. Okay, this is also not there. Okay, this is not the right way to install, so we have to do dnf command. Okay, that is fine. So ncdu command, disk usage analyzer with the interactive interface. Let's see the manual page of it. Okay, there is no manual entry, so we have to go and check over the internet. Now we have the security troubleshooting. Fall to ban client, monitor block suspicious IP. If you wanted to check or block any IP, we can use the fail to ban client. Okay. So these commands are the advanced troubleshooting commands which general Unix system don't provide that. We have to install that generally, right? These are not there. We have to install that. Then if you want to monitor the access and change the file, right? Then you have this audit CTL command. If you wanted to scan the rootkits of the system, you have this chk rootkits command. If you manages the firewall rules, you have the IP tables command. IP table commands will work. It should be there. Okay, it is also not there. So these are the advanced troubleshooting commands. That's why these commands are not there, and it is very high level command. General system don't have such commands. Even the companies don't use such command. They have their own firewall and everything. Storage troubleshooting, BLK ID, display UID, and the type of partitions. This should be there. Yes, this should be there. So this is the only one block system that I have. It is providing a UUID, block size, and the other information if you wanted to check related to the partitions. Okay. Smart CTL monitor disk health and the smart attributes. I think this is also not there. We have to install it. This is also not there. And PV display or IV display physical and logical volume information in the LVM. So these are the commands. So these are very high level advanced troubleshooting commands. In general life, they don't provide that information. You don't use that. But yeah, you can go in internet and get the more information about that, right? At least after completing this course, you will have the idea about the Linux, and believe me, these are more than enough. You can easily answer any of the troubleshooting commands with the help of such commands, right? So I hope this entire course helped you a lot. I'll add few of the more lectures, but till now, regarding the Linux commands, this is more than enough. These commands is more than enough. Now it's your task to implement it at your end, implement again, and understand the output and correlate it. If there is any problem related to the host, we use the ping and trash route command. Anything related to the CPU, we have the top command, we have the other commands. Anything related to the process, we have the PSAUX command. Related to the domain name, then we have the NSLOOKUP command. There is a lot of command, and which is more than enough. You just need to identify in which scenario which command should be helpful. Okay, and it will work when you implement it, when you understand, when you put your effort into that, then everything will be easy. So I hope this entire course was helpful. There is no other stuff, no theory, only be focused over the implementation of those commands. I hope you like that, you enjoy that. If it is, please let us know and comment down into the comment section of the Udemy course, and we will see you such an amazing content again. Thank you. Thanks for watching.